In this question, this distributing evenly business will boil down to divisibility. For example, if there are 5 dealerships, we'll be able to distribute the cars evenly if the number of cars is divisible by 5. Let's head to the data statements, evaluating them separately first. Statement 1 tells us that we could distribute 3A cars evenly. This is ripe for analysis by cases because there are only a few possible numbers of dealerships. The number of dealerships is B, which is 4, 5, or 6. We can start with B equals 4 and say A equals 8. In that case, 3A is 24. These numbers all fit the conditions in the question and in statement 1, so it's a legal case. Namely, we can distribute 24 cars evenly to 4 dealerships. The question is whether we can distribute A cars evenly. Since A is 8, we could. We could distribute 8 cars evenly to 4 dealerships, 2 apiece. Therefore, the answer to the question is yes, in this case. We must try to find a case in which the answer is no. Finding a valid case is not always easy. We could try B equals 5 and A equals 8, for example, but that's not a legal case because 3A, or 24 cars, can't be distributed equally among 5 dealerships. There's a pattern here. The statement is telling us that 3A divided by B is an integer. Since B must be 4, 5, or 6, there are a few possibilities here. One of them is that B could be 6, and A could possess a factor of 2. For example, if A is 10 and B is 6, 3A cars could be divided evenly among the 6 dealerships, but not A cars, because 10 can't be divided evenly among 6. We have therefore obtained a valid case that gives an answer of no to our question. Having obtained a yes and a no in valid cases, we have insufficient information to answer the question definitively. Statement 2 is similar. It says that 7A over B is an integer. This time we draw a different conclusion. Since B must be 4, 5, or 6, and none of those numbers goes into 7, B must go into A. That means each of the 7 dealerships can receive an equal share of A cars. And the answer to the question is definitively yes. Statement 2, therefore, is sufficient. The correct answer is B.